we want to have some way to log when we make a change, what that change is really doing in real time. And these things are dang accurate, like almost drag strip accurate. So why not get one, put it in your car, and see what kind of mods you're making.
We have a new Dragy here, so let's open it up and see what comes inside. Once we have this out, we'll slide this open. Here's the manual. Underneath that, we have the Dragy device, and under that, we will have the power cord and the metal mounting pads with the 3M adhesive so that it can attach to your car. Why is that? The Dragy has a magnet on the bottom itself to attach to a metal surface. This kit provides it so you can place it anywhere in your car. We will need to plug this in to charge it up with the supplied cable that we saw earlier, and I just plugged it into my laptop. Once this is done, open up the App Store, and in this case we're using Android, so it'll be Google Play. Search and download the Dragy app. Once it's finished downloading, open it up. Once inside this app, you'll need to accept a few permissions. Blindly accept all. Yes. Now create an account. You'll have to enter an email. I am the best in the world at gmail.com. Then make a username, best, then a password. You can use the suggested password, or you can create your own. I just let them suggest the password and blindly accept it. Now you're all set, but you still have to allow some more stuff. You'll need to hit the connect to allow the Bluetooth to work with this app. Yes, blindly allow. Now that it's completed, it will search for your Dragy. Once connected, a little light will come on showing that it's paired with your phone. Then it will download satellite data. It will do this every time you open and connect your device before being able to use it. You'll have to wait for a satellite to connect before you can open the camera mode. Perfect, it's ready. Open the video mode, and let's go test this in the car. So we're getting in the car. We have a RAM mount as well as the Dragy hooked up. So this is how we're going to hold our phone in place. So we're just going to go ahead, open these up, and slide the phone into place like so. There we go. And now we can fire the car up and we can take it outside and do our test on it. Perfect. We're on the side of the road in Mexico. You're going to pull open your phone and open the Dragy app. It will automatically sync. Then hit connect. Perfect. Connected. It will start the download before you can record. To get your phone to record, just turn it sideways or keep it in the upright position and then hit record. I had to put the car into sport mode and then hit record on the camera. That's all I could do, is to get it to 100 miles per hour.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Southtown Garage. If you guys have a really good option of how you mounted your phone to get the best footage while you're using your Dragy, let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. Sorry to all you Ford guys that I showed my Volkswagen, but if you are a Volkswagen fan, stay tuned for some more videos. Maybe take a look at this video where we take our Volkswagen to the dyno to see what power difference it makes with the intake. Or, if you're a Ford fan, take a look at this video over here where we take our Explorer ST to the dyno to see how much power it makes on the right fuel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Take care. We'll see you on another episode of Southtown Garage. Bye for now.